Aletha here from createyourfuture.co. So today we have Reem joining us. Hi, Reem.
Hello.
So Reem's a coach here at Create Your Future, and today we have a great video topic. It is how to use your reality to basically to find your blocks and to create your intentions. Now, this is so incredibly important because everything in your reality reflects back to you. And when you understand how to use it to find your blocks and to create your intentions, it's really going to speed up your manifestation. And you can use this in any area of your life. I mean, I basically go throughout my whole entire day, every day, and I constantly do this. And this is why I create things so quickly. So Reem, yeah, definitely. She's going to take it away here and explain to us how.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I was talking to Amanda about this and realized like how important of a topic it is, especially after seeing so many clients kind of struggling with this. But really when it comes to creating intentions and knowing what your mental diet should be to get you to your desire, you absolutely need to use everything that shows up in your current reality to help you create the best intentions so you can change it. So why is it important to use your current reality? Because the intentions are going to be much more believable that way. And believing the intentions and the mental diet is going to create way faster. And it's so important to creating your desires. So when the intentions stem from things that you already are showing up in your 3D reality and you give them the right meaning that's in line with your desire, you get even faster results, just like Amanda was saying. You're creating believable steps along the way, basically. So I guess the main point is intentions need to be believable, and it's your current moment, and you grab them from your current moment. And as your current moment changes, then you start, in your 3D reality changes, then you alter your intentions some more so that you can kind of continue down the path of creating your new reality. So of course, full disclosure, this process doesn't have to be slow moving, and you can manifest and shift into your desired reality much faster. But if your intention, if your mental diet, if your beliefs, and you have certain doubts, then you really should do things in a more stepwise fashion, just because it's going to be more believable this way, and it'll still get you to your results. And then of course, as you get better and better at manifesting, then you can go on manifesting things even faster without kind of like a stepwise process. So let's talk about how to create believable intentions. And it really should be broken down into like a few dimensions. So you want to start out with some broad intentions, and then you want to get more and more specific based on the specific desire that you're looking to manifest, whether it be a specific person, money, career, lifestyle. So the first important layer is the broad intentions. So that's the one that you throw into your mental diet constantly throughout the day, like everything always works out for me. I'm the creator of my reality. Everyone is me pushed out. No one has any free will in my reality but me. I create every single character in my movie. I know that law of attraction only works through my thoughts and beliefs and nothing else. I'm an amazing manifester. And then realizing that good or bad thoughts do create. So you get confirmation of this concept every day through people, things, events. So this is the area that should really be nurtured every day, with just tracing your current reality back to a thought or a belief that you had. So from intentions as simple as, oh, someone tells me that this color shirt looks great on me today, or your hair looks great, to random things like seeing a butterfly or a squirrel, like we saw with one of our coaches in the last session, in the last video.
Such a funny story. I'm intending that one, but I want it to fall on my lap.
That one was a good one. So even the ones where you have certain beliefs that you go to this specific restaurant, they always get your order wrong. And then every single time they get your order wrong. So that is, again, you are a manifestor. So that should be daily confirmations of your abilities.
Right.
Then, exactly.
Yeah, and just to take that example that you used there, you know, that of the restaurant getting your order wrong, that's how you find your blocks, right? Now, you may not remember when you created that restaurant getting your order wrong, but they always do. So right there, your reality is reflecting back what your thoughts are. So that's showing up in your 3D reality. The question is, do I like it? Yes or no? And then if it's no, automatically, wait a minute, renounce it, acknowledge it, renounce it. Don't acknowledge it and dwell on it for days. acknowledge it and renounce it and say, no, I intend for them to always get my order right, and then move on, right? So our 3D reality is always reflecting back. Excellent example. Sorry, I just wanted to elaborate on that.
No, that was actually perfect. No, that's perfect, because that's when people get stuck too, when they see things that are against what they want to manifest. Then they kind of get stuck there. They say it's not working, when you have to realize those moments are actually like very golden moments, because you get the chance to be like, oh wow, I forgot to mention this. I didn't even realize I had this in my reality playing from before. Let me change it right now. And so that was like really important point for like blocks showing up randomly. But
like to also avoid dwelling on how you created it. It doesn't matter. It's there. Just accept it as you created it. Just own it. Just be like, okay, fine, I created that. Do I know where? I don't know, but it's showing up. It's there. Let's change that. So yeah.
Exactly. Exactly. Then the next thing would be, so in addition to those like broad intentions, you want to start to look at your story, look at your current reality to help you get those specific intentions that are going to help you change it. So let's say the popular topic of a specific person, for example. So if you're not in contact with them at this moment, or you were at some point but you're not in communication, obviously you want a committed relationship with them, then the intentions should definitely be, my SP and I belong together, they love me, we have a beautiful relationship because we're so great together, soulmates, everything like that. Those are broad intentions and they're perfect, but alone they're not going to eliminate all of your blocks, because you need to start, so you need to actually start getting them in contact with you first. So you need to get a little bit closer to home, a little bit closer to your current reality. And so from that, so what you'll say, things like, you look at happen. Let's say you contacted them, they contacted you through a text message. Doesn't matter if it was for a quick hello. It does. The reason, the actual how it played out in the 3D doesn't even matter. Your job is to say, so wow, this person thought of me. They grabbed their phone, they were thinking about me, they missed me. These are all of your intentions. They grabbed their phone, they were so excited to talk to me, they sent me a message, they had to talk to me. I feel so much, or you called them, and then as you're calling and as they answer, or when you hang up, or if it was a text message, you fill that with intentions and you say, wow, this person was so excited to hear from me. They felt so relieved. They were actually looking for reasons to contact me and they didn't have any. So they felt so happy that I reached out. And I'm so happy to make them happy. And then that's when you slip in some of the broad intentions. We're made for each other. I know it. I feel it. We belong together. We're going to be back together in no time.
Yeah, exactly.
And then
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And then as you manifest further along and you get, let's say, a phone call, then you start intending around that. Doesn't matter exactly what's going on in the current moment. The point is that a phone call was initiated. So you start to intend around that and you say, wow, this person realizes more and more how much they love me. They love hearing my voice. They want me around. They feel so much better when I call them, when I talk to them. They feel like they can only talk to me. I'm the only one in my creates, and they want to be in my they want me in their world, and I create them to be in mine because I'm the creator of my reality. So that kind of helps you really use every single thing that shows up to create intentions that are much more closer to home. And everyone's situation is going to be different, but the point of it is use whatever shows up. It's like we were saying with when blocks and things show up, like the restaurant, you're like, oh, okay, wow, this is another intention. I have kind of fixed that up. I didn't realize I had that. I put that into my 3D reality at some point. Let me clean that up right now because I don't want that to happen anymore.
Yeah, and going with what you said on to clean it up would be something like, well, I intend for the restaurant to get my order right. Oh, I intend for everyone to always get my order right. I'm good enough to always have my order right, and just throw on your details and your broad ones and what you're going to see, hear, and feel. Like really just saturate it, because instead of going through and finding out what thought created it, just throw it all on there. Throw it all on there.
Exactly.
Make it change, and then it'll be even better than it was before, right? In fact, you know what? They always give me something for free. They always give me extra dessert for free. Like
exactly.
one time I created that I was going to get like something for free, like a free salad or something. And then what ended up happening, how it played out was they got my order wrong. And then they ended up giving me the free salad. Oh no, it was free fries. I wanted free fries. And what happened was is they made my thing with fries, but I wanted salad, and she knew that. And so they just said, keep the fries, and then they brought the salad. So I ended up getting both, right? So yeah, like that's how it played out, right? But throughout it, I had to be calm instead of being upset over getting the fries instead of the salad, right? Like, you know, I was like, yeah. And I was like, ah, she'll let me keep them, right? Like, so we kept them for the table, exactly what I was intending, right? So you never know how it'll play out either, right? So, you know.
Exactly. And then what you did there was you just persisted. You detached. You persist showing up. You showed up me, okay, this is going to lead me to my free fries. I already know this is what's going on. So that's what you do. And then even so, just like you're saying, if something wrong happens, so like let's say your SP does call you, but they tell you, well, actually I think we should just be friends, then you're like, oh, let me just fix that up really quickly. You know, friends are, you know, having a friendship is a relationship. They're going to realize that they don't want anyone else in their life but me. They feel so comfortable around me. We are best friends. They need me as their friend, companion, partner, and you just flood it with more intention. So you kind of, that's how you use everything that shows up that's considered a block and to turn it into your an intention. And then at the same time, you're still adding broader intentions and you're refining along the way as new things show up, as things progress towards whichever desire you're looking to achieve. And so, and that's how you kind of walk out of your current reality and walk a new one. And you start to realize how natural and easy it is to create and change your reality. And your confidence level goes up. Your desires don't need to be these small steps. They can start to become big leaps. And all of a sudden you're in your desire. You're just looking for how to create your next desire without even realizing it.
Oh, exactly. Like then you get in the flow, you know, mix that with being in the God state, and that's it. Like life's flowing, right? You know, and constantly reminding ourselves that we are God of our reality, and everyone is us pushed out. You know, the other day I had a pretty rough day, and I don't even know why. Like I don't know why I created a rough day, but I did. But then, you know, two things happened that really just brought me back to, oh my goodness, Amanda, everyone is you pushed out. Smarten up, get out of it, you know. And, you know, it's not about never going into a state that's unproductive. It's about how fast can you get yourself out of it, right? And not beat yourself up over it, you know. And then, but the thing is, right, is you don't even have to be in a good mood to create. Like, create so many things in a bad mood. You know, but you have to have a good, you know, be in a good mood, have good thoughts about what you want to create, the area, you know. But we're constantly creating, right? Wow, amazing. Exactly. Amazing, Reem. That is awesome. Thank you so very much for joining us. Amazing.
Thank
guys,
you. I hope that
sorry?
People. Oh, I was saying I hope that helped a lot of people.
Awesome. Yes, me too. I intended to. And guys, she is a coach here. Definitely check the link in the description below. And thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye.